Unit number 1, unit and measurement. Chapter 1, unit and measurement. Unit and measurement. So in the previous chapter we have to discuss, previous articles we have to discuss the basic units, basic type of units we are using here: MKS unit, FPS system, SI systems, MKS system. These systems have to be measured here. Now we have to discuss fundamental quantities also, we have to derive quantities also. After that we have the supplementary units we have to discuss. After that we are going to the next topic, the dimensional formulas. How will the dimensional formula be recognized here? Simply the simple is the basic procedures here. Simple representation of M, L and T form. M, L and T form is known as dimensional formulas. Generally representation of mass kg in the format of bracket M, L bracket, T brackets, and general terms which are using amperes in the terms of fundamental quantities. So suppose we have to see that, so the first quantity we have to take in here is, suppose a length. The first is length. Symbol representing of the length is here. Second quantity is area. This means length into width. Length is measured in L and width is also measured in L, and the dimensional formula is L square, and this is the dimensional formula. After that we have to take a volume. Third, volume, the basic formula of the volume is length into width into height. Length, width, height. So we have to see that length is measured in L, width is also measured in L, height is also measured in L, and the basic formula of the is L. This is the basic formula, dimensional formulas. Next, density. And the symbols which we are using for the density is rho, and this is the formula for M by L, mass divided by volume. Mass divided by volume, and this is M by V. Mass is measured in M, this is the symbol, and volume is measured in LQ, and the basic dimensional formula ml e power minus. Next basic formula is speed. Speed S is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. What is the distance measured? L. Time measured in T. And the basic dimensional formula is LT inverse. The next dimensional formula is velocity. V, displacement upon time, and the displacement is taken in L, time is measured in T, and the basic dimensional formula is MLT inverse. After that we have to discuss the next basic formula is acceleration. What is the acceleration? Velocity change upon time. Velocity change upon time. What is the dimensional formula of the velocity? LT inverse upon time is T, and the dimensional formula is LT की power minus 2. So we have to discuss here length, how to recognize, how do we have to calculate the dimensional formula for the length. Simple, we write the simple length that is the L, which is measured in the L. What is the dimensional formula of the area? So first we have to write the formula. What is the formula for the area? The formula for the area is L into width. Or we always taking a simple formula here. If we are taking a complicated formula for the area, so here we have to write the very dimensional systems, and after that the calculation is very large. If we are taking the simple formula for the area, and hence we calculate with a simple way. If we are taking any difficult formula of the area, then we unit will be same. The dimensional formula for the both of the formula will be same, but here the calculation will be large. So we have to reduce the calculations. So we have to take the simple basic formula for the area here. After that, we have to take the volume, length, width and height. Length is measured in L, width is measured in L, and height is also measured in L. Then this is to be taken as L cube, and density is equal to mass divided by volume, m by b, m by L cube, m at e to the power minus 2. What is the speed? Distance upon time. Distance is measured in length divided by t, and Lt inverse. What is the velocity displacement upon time? L by t, Lt inverse. And what is the acceleration?